girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Sign me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your palm.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a hair tutorial. So you guys, today I wanted to do my hair because I'm like, my hair has not been done for a while, so I wanted to do my hair. And so I'm gonna show you guys how I do my how do you call it, big box braid. This is more like kind of like a knotless box braid, and I saw this tutorial on how this person did it with rubber band, and I wanted to try it out and see how it's gonna turn out. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna do these really big cornrows, honestly. So this is what I'm going for. Nothing that's gonna take forever. So that's the goal. Nothing that's gonna take forever. Something very simple, like about 10 braids. Okay, so let's start with the front because that's where I can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part it. Okay, so you guys, the edge control that I will be using today is this beauty right here. This is the Argan oil edge control, and I will also be mixing it with the gummy edge wax. I'm not trying to do anything like super neat and professional, all of that, but I just want my hair done. Like, I don't want to look at it for at least 2 to 3 weeks. That's the goal. Guys, it's just been those days where you like, you don't know what to do with your hair anymore. It has been lately. I have not. I don't know what I have been doing with my hair. So now the parting may not be super straight again, because it's obvious that I'm the one doing it. So I have a big mirror in the back of me, and I also have another one in front of me. And that way, I can kind of have, you know, 4 eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead with the argan oil first, so that we can see how that works. That's my first time ever using the argan oil one, and it smells really good. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right on my parting because we want our part to be super straight. I burnt my rattle comb with a blow dryer, I think last week, so the comb is kind of looking a little different. You guys, I burned my rattle comb, so I need another one. I need to get another one, but in the meantime, it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna go ahead all around my head, create these partings, and then I'll come back and show you guys the next step.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Turning Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Oh, don't worry about it, damn thing. I'm too excited, dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing, ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? 'Cause it's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think?
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that good? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Yeah, we hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Yeah, we get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. 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 Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. 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 Hiding his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line.
It's been a long night, so I finally got it done. I am all done, you guys. This is it. This is how it's looking. Yeah, so pretty big. That's exactly how I wanted it. So I'm excited about that.
Somewhere else to go.